Today, we're comparing two distinct approaches to construction project management. Whether you need flexible customization or industry-specific tools, this comparison will help you choose the right platform for your construction business. Let's understand our contenders. Monday.com is a versatile work operating system that allows teams to build and customize any workflow. While used across various industries, it can be a powerful tool for construction management with the right setup. Buildertrend is a purpose-built, all-in-one construction management platform designed specifically for residential builders, remodelers, and specialty contractors. The core difference: Monday.com is a flexible toolkit you adapt for construction, while Buildertrend is a pre-configured solution for the construction industry. Monday.com users include companies managing various business processes in one platform: marketing, HR, sales, and construction. It's ideal for teams requiring high customization and flexibility for unique workflows and organizations valuing a modern, visual, user-friendly interface. Buildertrend users are residential builders, remodelers, and specialty contractors. It's perfect for businesses needing an integrated platform for pre-sales, project management, financials, and customer management, plus teams requiring a mobile-first solution for field crews to stay connected. Monday.com's Work OS offers highly customizable boards with 30-plus column types to track everything from budgets to project progress. Visual workflows include multiple views like Kanban, Gantt, timeline, and calendar for different planning needs. The powerful, no-code automation builder streamlines repetitive tasks like sending reminders or updating statuses. Its robust mobile app allows real-time updates from the field with access to all project information. Construction-specific templates help teams get started quickly, creating a foundation for efficient project management. Buildertrend's all-in-one platform includes comprehensive tools for pre-sale, project management, and financials. Integrated financial features cover budgeting, proposals, invoicing, change orders, and purchase orders. The built-in client portal enables seamless client communication, selections, and approvals. Real-time job costing tracks estimated versus actual costs to manage profitability on every project. Daily logs and time clock tools allow field teams to log on-site activity, clock in or out, and track time with GPS stamping for improved accountability. Monday.com offers versatility, configurable for any project type, with excellent visualization through Gantt charts and workload management. You can build custom boards to track tasks, subcontractors, equipment, and more. Buildertrend provides industry-specific scheduling tools tailored for construction with drag-and-drop Gantt charts. It handles task dependencies and compares planned versus actual progress. Built-in tools for creating and managing construction punch lists streamline project completion. Monday.com offers flexibility. While not a dedicated accounting tool, it can be configured to manage budgets, track costs, and create invoices based on custom needs. It integrates with popular accounting software like QuickBooks and Zero-to-Sync financial data. Buildertrend features native functionality. Financial management is a core, built-in feature designed specifically for construction workflows. It includes dedicated tools for estimates, bids, invoices, bills, purchase orders, and change orders, streamlining the entire financial process. Both platforms excel in different ways. Monday.com handles communication within tasks and boards, keeping conversations in context. It's designed for collaboration across departments, not just field teams. Buildertrend offers a specialized client portal for transparency and a team messaging system. All project documents, photos, and daily logs are stored in a centralized location for easy access. Monday.com's mobile app is highly rated, mirroring the desktop experience. You can update tasks, view dashboards, and collaborate on the go. It's adaptable to various construction roles. Buildertrend's mobile features field-first design for construction crews. It's optimized for time clock, daily logs, and photo uploads, built specifically for job site functionality. Monday.com provides extensive integrations connecting with a wide range of apps including accounting, communication, and file storage tools. High customization means the platform is a blank canvas, allowing you to build your ideal workflow from scratch. Buildertrend offers focused integrations, primarily connecting with construction-specific software and accounting platforms relevant to the industry. While offering some customization, it's a more structured, pre-built solution with defined modules and workflows. Monday.com pricing scales with team size using per-user pricing, becoming expensive for large teams, but offering granular feature control. Buildertrend's flat monthly fee structure starts at around $299 to $499 per month and is designed to be cost-effective for construction businesses, providing comprehensive tools at a predictable price regardless of team size. Monday.com allows you to create highly visual and customizable dashboards to track KPIs, budgets, and project progress. It excels at creating custom reports from any data on your boards. Flexibility allows for tracking unique metrics specific to your business needs. Buildertrend provides built-in reports for job costing, profitability, and project status specifically designed for construction businesses. Reporting is heavily weighted towards financial health and construction-specific performance metrics. Monday.com Pros: unmatched flexibility and customization, great for managing diverse business functions, powerful automation capabilities, and modern, visually appealing interface. Monday.com Cons: requires initial setup and customization, not a native construction solution, can be more expensive at scale, and learning curve for custom workflows. Buildertrend Pros: all-in-one construction-specific solution, native financial management, robust client portal, and field-optimized mobile app. Buildertrend Cons: less flexible for non-construction workflows, steeper learning curve for entire feature set, potentially overwhelming interface, and limited customization options. Choose Monday.com if you're a general contractor wanting a single platform for multiple business units like construction, marketing, and sales. You need to build truly unique workflows that don't fit standard templates, or you value a visual, intuitive, modern user experience across your organization. Choose Buildertrend if you're a residential builder or remodeler seeking a complete, purpose-built solution. Your core needs include integrated financial management and client portal, or you prefer construction-specific features ready out of the box. Monday.com is a powerful general-purpose tool that can be adapted for construction. Its strength lies in flexibility and ability to manage multiple parts of a business. Buildertrend is a specialized tool built for construction. Its strength is its comprehensive, all-in-one nature addressing specific industry pain points. Choose based on whether you need a single platform for all operations, Buildertrend, or a flexible system that grows across business functions, Monday.com. Based on research analysis, Buildertrend has an analyst rating of 88 compared to Monday.com's rating of 90. A free trial of both platforms is highly recommended to evaluate which better fits your specific construction business needs.